Hi, very good morning to everyone. Thanks for the support. Thank you so much. You are encouraging me a lot. So, as usually, I'm requesting to you please subscribe if you are not subscribed my channel. If you subscribe, watch the videos continuously and make a comment or give a like, make a comment or give a like. That's a very important thing. So thank you for your support. Give likes are very important. Maybe some resound will come because of mic is not working properly. So I gave it for repair. So after that, there no disturbance in the voice. Directly, I will start the topic today. As we completed chemical combination, chemical decomposition, blood thermal decomposition, photolytic decomposition, electrolysis, chemical displacement, chemical thermal displacement, four types of chemical reactions are completed. Then let us take the other one, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. The other type is oxidation and reduction. Right. So the earlier concepts of oxidation and reduction based on the addition or removal of hydrogen or oxygen elements. So in terms of oxygen or hydrogen, oxidation, reduction depends on either we are adding oxygen or removing hydrogen, or we are adding hydrogen or removing oxygen or adding hydrogen is called reduction. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen is called as oxidation. So let us understand oxidation. First one, oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Addition of oxygen to the element or to a compound or to a substance. Addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. Removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called oxidation. But in higher studies, you will learn loss of electrons. Loss of electrons. Loss of electrons from a compound or loss of electrons from a element or the atom is called oxidation. So here we did not discuss anything about here loss of electrons. We discuss only oxidation, addition of oxygen to a substance, removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. Is called oxidation. So next one, let us know oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent in the sense, oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. So oxidizing agent means the substance which gives oxygen is called oxidizing agent, or the substance which removes hydrogen, is called oxidizing agent. So any substance which gives oxygen is called oxidizing agent, or the substance which remove hydrogen is also called oxidizing agent. Then some cases, let us discuss with the examples. Oxidation. When copper oxide is heated with hydrogen, the copper melt and water is formed. Before that, let us take simple example. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. Here, oxygen is added to carbon by heating. So this is an example. Of oxidation. Similarly, magnesium plus oxygen. Magnesium oxide is formed. So it is also an example for oxidation reaction. This is also an example for oxidation reaction. Right. Phosphorus. So when phosphorus is burns in the air, that means oxygen is added, then it forms phosphorus pentoxide. Right. So these are the simple examples. So phosphorus plus oxygen gives rise to P2O5. So 4P, 4 This is phosphorus pentoxide. Right? So for any substance, if we add oxygen, simply we can call it oxidation. So burning of any material in the presence of oxygen is example for oxidation. Right? So this is about oxidation. So addition of oxygen to a substance or removal of hydrogen from the substance is called oxidation. The substance which gives oxygen, the substance which removes hydrogen is called as oxidizing agent. Burning of coal, burning of magnesium, burning of phosphorus is example for oxidation. So next we will discuss reduction.